This is in the neighborhood I live in. Zero view on handling sediment.
No BMPs in place.
In essence, dumping dirt on the street.
All this sediment is sitting right in front of two drains where all the water flows
This
to.
is an MS4 town. And these drains right here have nothing in them.
And nothing on them to prevent sediment
Nothing.
from flowing into the drain.
And this site goes
All
right
rainwater
up to
flowing
those
down.
streets. So the question is, with regulations in place, people knowing what they have to do, and getting bid in on jobs when they do it, SWIP plans in place of supposedly handling this kind of stuff.
Maintenance is the missing piece.
Does this look like it's working to you?
Easy Catch Pro, Easy Catch Man. Below grade inlet protection made easier here in Des Moines. Reinforced straps to make maintenance easy.
Watch the whole thing.
Reuse filter sack until soil laden, then Velcro off and replace.
Whole thing.
If you backwash, you'll get more reuses out of. The more care you put into cleaning, the more use you get.
Take a video and then take a picture.
Easy Flow, Easy Flowman, and Easy B magnet on top, inlet protection. Simplified install and maintenance because you don't have to move the grate, lowering your labor dollars spent significantly.
So from the DNR's perspective, that being an open hole, they don't really care about.
I've never seen them have an issue with it because everything else has an overflow that's an open hole.
It has to get that deep anyway before
Right.
it would.
All
not
this,
go
the
through.
flow rates are 192 gallons a square foot a minute.
Overflow is 2 3/8 inch raised.
Yeah.
And so your flow rates are higher. And if maintenance isn't done, which is just picking it up and banging it or backwashing it,
Yeah.
then it'll go through the opening. But they have to have that on all stuff DOT.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, let's go do that.
There is no question when maintenance needs to be done. The efficiency from an inspection standpoint is incredible. Rated number 1 at containing silica at storm drains. Auburn University Erosion and Sediment Control Testing Facility.
So this is a lot higher flow rate than what we actually testing at. We're trying to get the pump started up and going, so we're going to be slowing it down more to where it's actually going to be at right now. Normally when we do a test, we have a pipe that's diverting over the platform, and we get our flow rate and all that where it needs to be, and then we take the pipe off, and that's when we start. Turn it way down.
But as you can see, even at the faster flow rates, flattening through, which is pretty impressive.
Learning point, ideal situation, have overflow in the easy flow.
You want to pull the top one off now?
Yeah, do that.
That was double filtered before. When it's by itself, it's going that fast.
So this is still, even at the low flow rate we set that, this is getting closer to that rate. This is probably pretty good right here. We were way above that one. So it just took a second to get the system to where it was supposed to be.
Feel free to come look down at it if you want.
American-made sediment control advancements that you can believe in. Developed to make install and maintenance easier so that it can be done, which increases success rate on all projects. Thank you for your time. Flo-Water. capturing sediment on the go, enabling cleaner water to flow.